In this video, I'll talk more about traffic from YouTube and what you should be doing with this traffic. This is also a continuation of the past 3 videos, so if you haven't watched the past 3 videos on how to make $300 or more per day from YouTube and how to monetize YouTube, then be sure to watch those videos so this all makes sense. Now, when you're getting this free traffic from YouTube, you don't want to push products and services on your audience. Instead, you want to give them value. This is very, very important. Probably have them join a mailing list, which is free, and then from there you can send them free materials related to your niche and services, which is helpful, and then you can upsell them or give them the option of purchasing a product or service later on. And this helps in creating customer loyalty, because if you give someone a lot of free value, then they will trust you enough to know that you're not going to sell them a course or some product or service that isn't good, doesn't work for them. So initially, think about the products or services that you want to get sales from, and then create an email marketing campaign where you can share information over the course of several emails. So this could be auto emails that go out every day or a few times per week, giving some value and keeping that email list going strong before you actually try to sell anything. And you don't even have to sell anything here. You could simply send these helpful emails for free for a month or a few weeks, and then create a membership for this information that you'll be sending to all the people in the email list. And this way you can add a small monthly membership charge, which allows you to give value and help people make money while you're doing it and continue to build this email list and this audience. So everybody wins here. Also, I think it's best to focus more on one single income stream when you're just starting out. If you're charging a membership, then work on that before you start adding membership tiers or a course, or maybe even one-on-one time. And this is something that I strongly believe that you can start profiting from in just 6 months. If you utilize the free traffic and marketing from YouTube and you build an audience and an email list, in 6 to 12 months, you can definitely start earning from this. So you create your YouTube channel or niche channel, or maybe you create even a channel for your business, and then you post content which helps your viewers, and then you eventually start monetizing this audience or the viewers you get on this YouTube channel by providing even more value to them. And remember, this is all done without the YouTube Partner Program. And if you look at YouTube, you'll find channels, some very large channels with hundreds of thousands of subscribers that don't have any ads showing on any of their videos. And the reason for this is because they don't really need to run ads or get paid from YouTube, or to get paid from YouTube. So by utilizing the free traffic from YouTube, they're able to convert this traffic into sales and make a lot of money doing it that way. Now, if you're new and you're seeing me for the very first time, my name is Ian, and I post videos here on YouTube every day on topics relating to making money and personal finance. So if you'd like to see more videos just like this one, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I'll really appreciate it. And also consider subscribing to the channel and turning on all the notifications. And that way you'll be able to get the updates every day when I post new videos here. Now, if you're thinking about what I'm saying and you're not so sure you want to try this, just remember, in the initial video, I talked about having a product like a course, for example, that you could sell for $100. If you get 200 views per day from people who were interested in whatever niche you're in, and you were able to convert only 1% to sales, this means you'd make 2 sales per day and $200 per day without having to pay for any marketing. 200 views per day isn't a lot, and this is easily achievable. I was able to get 200 views per day even before I got to having 1,000 subscribers on this channel. And even though this doesn't sound like much, $200 per day is actually $73,000 per year. And I really think you can convert a lot more than 1% of your traffic. So think about this as well. So this is definitely something that you need to look into. And if you're wondering where to start, I would say firstly, decide on your niche. If you already have a brand or business, then it's easy because you can create a channel around that brand or business to drive traffic to your business. But if you don't already have a business, think about the niche you want to be in. If you can do that, then all you have to do is to create content that's valuable consistently, and the rest will snowball. So this is why I think YouTube is a really good place to get free traffic from, and I think you should really consider creating a YouTube channel for getting traffic, whether it be a personal brand channel or a faceless YouTube channel, if you want to get into making money from the internet this year. Now, secondly, after doing this, find out what your intended audience will want to see. You can record or post videos about anything and still monetize the channel, but the chances of success are much higher if you are constantly releasing content on what your audience actually wants to see. And a good way to know what this is to simply look at other channels in your niche and see what videos they publish that perform very well and get a lot of views. Now, here's a hack. You really only need 3 things in a video to make it successful. The first thing is you need to teach your audience something. Have them learn something that they didn't already know. And secondly, you want the content to be entertaining, or at least a little entertaining. And then thirdly, you need the content to give them some kind of emotion or feelings. This could be getting them hyped up for the topic. If you fit all 3 in a video, then that video is going to be really successful. And if you do this with all the videos on your channel, then after consistently posting, you'll definitely get that snowball effect of new viewers and free marketing. If you have a YouTube channel, let me know what it is or what niche you're in. Comment below and let me know what you think about using YouTube as a free marketing tool. And if you haven't seen parts 1 to 3 of this video or small series, be sure to watch it and I'll leave the links here. As always, thanks for watching. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up if you like the content, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I post new videos here. Check all the links down below for free and helpful stuff, including Webull, where you can get involved in investing and get 2 free stocks valued at up to $1,600 just for using that link. And I'll see you guys tomorrow.